Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen here, and today I am exploring in South Carolina, and right now I am at this park and preserve. It's called Lake Conestee Nature Park and Preserve. I am going to be meeting somebody here soon to give me a tour of this area. I am really excited to be here. It's very chilly right now, but I think it's going to warm up in a few hours, so we'll see. But I'm so excited to be hiking somewhere new and exploring around South Carolina. I'm excited to take y'all with me. You can see there are a lot of people here today. It is a Saturday morning, so that's expected. This preserve has both paved and unpaved trails, so I'm excited to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video. Share it with your friends and your family.